Hello friends, I'm your host and host. Welcome you all to my YT channel. Well friends, today is Palm Sunday, the Holy Week in Christianity, where palms are used during the welcome of Jesus in Jerusalem. If you want to know more about the significance of Palm Sunday, what exactly happens, please comment me down for further video. Let's see the 5 steps to make a cross with these palm leaves. Let's see the transformation. Step 1. Hold the palm leaf straight and fold it towards the bottom like how I show. Ensure to have the longest part of the leaf folded over. Step 2. Hold your thumb near the point where you want to set the arms of the cross. Now flip the long part of the leaf over and make the arms like I shown you. Now step 3. Pressing your thumb in the center, flip over the leaf onto the right arm of the cross. From behind, bring it cross down and fold it up towards the left arm of the cross. Step 4. Bring down the cross from behind towards the right arm like shown here. So when you turn back, it should have an X. Now step 5. Lock the leaf by taking the last part and stuff it in between the folds like this way. So, and our cross is ready. Here is our Jesus Christ blessing all of us. Hope you like this video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye all of you.